Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a Snapchat group chat. So let's head over to our Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your DM section. So once you're there, you might just want to create a group in here. So what can you do is just head over to groups. So you'll find your groups in here, but if you want to create a group, what you can do is just to go to this writing section that is marked blue in the lower right corner, and now tap on new group. Now select from your friend list the person you want to add to your group. So suppose I want to add these two in my group, and now tap on chat with group. And here goes your new group. You can also name it or change it. So you can also invite via link, or you can add to group any time you want, any people. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.